Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this character, very simple character in Blender. I am going to sculpt this guy. For that I am going to go and take one cube right now first, and then I'm going to scale it a little bit, and then I'm going to go in face mode, and then I'm going to move it here. I'm going to press, I'm going to scale it a little bit like this. Then I'm going to extrude it, and then again going to scale it a little bit. Then I'm going to extrude it. Then I'm going to scale it a little bit. Then I'm going to extrude it, and then I'm going to scale it a little bit like this. And here also I'm going to uh, extrude it a little bit like this. So we have something like this shape. And now I'm going to add a modifier, subdivision modifier like this. I'm going to add a little bit like this. Go to 5. Okay, the 5, all right. Then I'm going to scale it a little bit. If you want, you can also refine this shape a little bit. I'm just refining the shape a little bit to form that X shape. So I am happy with this shape. So yes, I'm happy with this shape now. So then I'm going to apply it. Go in object mode, and then I'm going to apply this shape. So this is our X shape. Now ready. And now I'm going to go in sculpt mode, go in this X axis, and then I'm going to click on draw brush, press Control, and then just I'm going to turn on the mirror in Y axis, and just I'm going to click it like this. Then use a grab tool to refine our shape little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go in paint mode, and then I'm going to paint it little bit. I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to paint it little bit. No, this is I'm going to give little bit light color, and then I'm going to paint it little bit like this. All over the place I'm going to paint it little bit like this. And then for inner part I'm going to give black color, and then I'm going to paint it little bit like this. My scroll is not working properly, so Sorry for that. So here is our shape ready. Go in object mode. So here this color is not showing. For that, go in this data and then color attributes. Name here triple A or anything you have to name. Go in the shaders mode. Press new. Here press shift A and search for color attributes. Color color attributes. See here, and for here you have to select this color and just click and drag on base color. So yes, now it is ready. So now it is showing our colors. And then for the other part, go in object mode, add one cube, and then click uh, select its face, and then extrude it little bit like this. Again extrude it little bit like this and move it little bit like this. Here control press add one edge and then move it little bit like this and add one subdivision modifier. Go in object mode and scale it little bit like this and just put it little bit like this. Here add a red color. So here is our shape ready. Now go in object mode and then add one UV sphere. Add subdivision modifier to the sphere. Scale it a little bit like this. Press shift D and press Y here and click and drag here. Then again press shift D and press X, move it a little bit here and then scale it little bit like this. And here give black color. Press shift D, Y and click and drag here like this. So we have something like this. If you want, you can also scale it a little bit smaller, the eyeballs. Press Shift D and move it here like this. Add subdivision modifier to this object. Go in sculpt mode, paint. Okay, so this is our shape, the color. Go in object mode. Now for the hands and leg. For that I'm going to add one simple cylinder. Go in edit mode. I'm going to add one edge here and add one edge here. I'm going to click here and then insert this face like this. Click here and insert this face like this. And I'm going to add subdivision modifier to this object. Add one subdivision modifier. Then I'm going to put it little bit here like this. Rotate it little bit here like this. And then I'm going to scale it little bit. And then I'm going to press Shift D and press Y axis. And then I'm going to click and drag here like this. For this board part also I'm going to use new material. I'm going to select this color. Yes, here also select that color. And for hands I'm going to again add one cylinder. For this hand I'm going to go in edit mode. Extrude it and scale it a little bit like this. Again extrude it and scale it a little bit like this. And here also I'm going to add one edge here, and then I'm going to add one subdivision modifier. Array. Then I'm going to apply it. Then I'm going to scale it a little bit like this. Also scale it a little bit like this. Just here, and then I'm going to give the same material to this guy like this. Move it a little bit here, and paste Shift D, y-axis, click it here, and then I'm going to scale it little bit -1 in this axis, or I'm going to rotate it in 90 degree, 180 degree. Okay, let it be. This is our, go to scale and type -1 here. Okay, so this is our object. I'm going to scale these guys little bit. And then I'm going to add a little spheres. Where is the sphere? UV sphere. Then I'm going to scale it little bit like this. Also I'm going to scale it a little bit like this, and then I'm going to add new material. Press Shift D, and scale it a little bit like this. Press Shift D again and go in Z axis. Control J to combine this, and then press S to scale. Press Shift D, press Y, and rotate it like this, or type -1 in Y axis. So now I'm going to go in object mode, face, go to select all, press P, loose by all parts, object mode, and I'm going to select the object and just right click origin, press shift D and press third, press shift D, press shift D, shift D and Y, shift D and Y to here. And now if you want, I'm going to save this first, desktop. I'm going to name it time pass model, and then I'm going to save it. And काय आलं प्रीती? थांब एक मिनिट थोड्या वेळाचा. नाही थोडा वेळ थांब. काय पाहिजे? खायचे का? नाही. मला काय खायला नको ना, मला चालू आहे. खाण्या मसाला एकच सगळं खाण्या मसाला पण आणा. काय पैसे काय मला पाहिजे खाण्या मसाला. खाण्या मसाला ते पण आणा. अच्छा. Hello. So that's his friend. I have saved this project now. Now I'm going to try to merge this object. My PC is not that high end. Then also I'm trying to merge this object. Let's see it is going to do it or not. First I'm going to select all this part, and then I'm going to press Control J, combine this, and then I'm going to go in sculpt mode, and then here I'm going to go in remesh, type 0.02, and then I'm going to add remesh option, and then I'm going to select draw brush, press shift, and then I'm going to, yes, it is working. I think it is working. because it is working right now. I'm going to smooth this shape. I'm going to smooth this two shape into one shape right now. I'm going to paint, and then I'm going to again paint this. More sculpting videos like this, also some 3D modeling videos. Wait. Okay friend, that's it. So here is our final thumbnail view. So I hope you guys like this video. This is very easy character to model in Blender. This is not proper, but I can do it more accurately if I have more time. Already it is containing 35 minutes. So this is very simple character. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.